how to use Affirm at Sam's Clubs. Today I'm going to teach you if you can use Affirm at Sam's Clubs. So as you guys can see, I'm at their website now. Here I tried everything. I tried checking out, getting the products into my cart, and trying to do the checkout. But I unfortunately cannot find any way to directly use Affirm with the Sam's Club. I tried searching it and I found no, Sam's Club does not accept Affirm. So how can you do that? You just need to, you just need to get Affirm's card. So I'm just going to tell you how the Affirm's card look like. As you guys can see, this is how the Affirm's card look like, and you will also have a virtual card. You just need to get a virtual card add in the Affirm's application, and after that you have to go to this Sam's Club and you need to select any of the product that you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy this water, so I'm just going to go there and I'm going to add this to cart, and after that I'm going to go to my cart. And let me just go to my cart and begin checkout. Now here it will take some time and it will want me to log in, of course. After logging into my account, I will be able to go to the checkout page, and in the checkout page you can easily pay using the credit or debit card. This is how the payment should look like. You just need to put your Affirm's credit card or debit card's information. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use Affirm at Sam's Club. So hope you guys find this video helpful.